Log in as admin in ICTFax web portal. Select the main menu Administration. Select the submenu DID number. Click on it. DID list page opens. Admin can see, edit, assign, and delete. Click on Add New DID button from top left side. After that, admin will enter the required information in desired fields. Enter the DID number and title. After that, click on Submit button to save the DID. Now we will learn how to assign the DID number to any specific user. Select the main menu Administration. Select the submenu DID number. Click on it. DID list page opens. Select any DID and click on /assign icon from Operation menu. Page opens where admin will select the user from drop-down menu and DID will assign to that user. Now we'll see how to receive fax on email or inbound fax. Select the submenu My DID and click on it. My DID's list page opens. Select the DID and click on the forward icon. As page open, tenant will select the services mentioned below. No service. If tenant will select the no service option, then DID will not receive fax. Fax to email. If fax to email will select, then user will receive fax and also receive notification on his configured email. Forward to extension. When tenant will select this option, then receive fax on this DID will forward to extension ATA. After that, click on Submit button to save configuration.